What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. It's good to have you here, and welcome to this video in which I wanted to do a quick price prediction and price analysis on Quant or Qnt for two reasons. First of all, it was actually quite bullish the last few days compared to other cryptos. We broke through some important resistance levels, so that's great. But apart from that, I used to cover Quant quite a bit or quite often. And ever since, I mean, it's just been quite depressing because Quant is one of my worst performing holdings. I bought it at like $250. It's down to $67 right now, so that's very bad. Back then, I bought in quite high, and then the market kind of turned against me. I'm still holding it, and I will continue to hold it. I'm not sure whether it's going to. I think it's a great project, but I'm not sure if it's actually getting back to these levels again in the next real bull market. And to be completely honest with you, I don't think we will be able to. I think it's a great project. I think we can definitely get as high as this, but actually getting higher than this might be a little bit too difficult, in my opinion. If they want to actually get higher than this and thereby actually get higher in the rankings and become a better project, I think they would really need to do some more things with the community and just keep innovating, which they are doing. And as I said, I didn't invest in it without any reason. I think the project is great, but a lot of great projects actually die in bear markets. So I'm not sure if Quant will get through that. Nonetheless, I will keep holding. So I don't know. Just don't want to risk it. And what you see with Quant, it's actually like pretty weird price action. I'm gonna delete this, but this trend line is pretty strong, and we are resisting off of that. But what we did earlier in the last few days is we actually broke above this $64 level again, which is quite a big level, as you can see, quite a strong level as well. And by that, I mean, as I said, this trend line is pretty strong, but I don't believe that it's strong enough to actually let us drop down through $63. So what I expect is that we'll get some sort of a bullish breakout up to $70 and then to just consolidate for the next few days between $63 and $70. I think that's the most likely scenario right now for Quant. And eventually, because we are consolidating, so the volume will probably drop down a little bit, this trend line will become invalid after a few days. And from this consolidation up here, around the levels we're at right now practically, but with that consolidation, I think we're just going to stay within that consolidation until we get some more fundamental news. So for example, within the next week and a half or something, we'll get new inflation numbers and new interest talks, at least from the Federal Reserve and from the United States. That could actually make it a little bit more bullish or bearish. But until that time, I think we'll stay in this consolidation with the accidental, maybe like a small uptrend towards $75 again. But it could also be that we have a trip down towards these levels here around $55 and then $58. It's really just going to be some small uptrends, some small downtrends, but mostly a consolidation, I think, up until that time. And those small uptrends and downtrends will probably be steered and caused by the moves of Bitcoin, because it is that correlated right now. So yeah, that's basically my analysis for now. If you do have any questions about anything I said, or about the analysis, or about Quant, or about my opinions on Quant, anything, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now though, it was good to have you here. Thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.